Hi, I'm Tammy. Today I'm going to make an Anejo Old Fashioned. So we have a couple of friends, 421 Rants and Michael, who asked me to do some tequila drinks. So I'm going to do a tequila drink. In this glass I have a couple of ice cubes. So I'm going to add to the ice cubes some agave. And you're not going to do a whole lot of agave. Maybe one big bar spoon amount. And then you're going to do chocolate bitters, and I do just one dropper full chocolate bitters, and then some Grand Marnier, and I do this to taste, so I'm gonna say it's probably about half a shot. It's not a whole lot. And then some Anejo Tequila, and I'm doing Anejo because it is a lot more smooth than your Reposada or your Blanco. Okay. You're going to put about a shot and a half in there. And then you're going to stir it in with the ice until the ice completely melts. And this gets everything stirred up nice together. And it gets it chilled and makes it delicious. So once everything's stirred in well, your ice is melted. Then you just pour it over your round ice cubes that I already have garnished with the orange peel and a piece of aloe vera. And that's it. It's an Anejo Old Fashioned. Now I need to give it a taste. I like tequila. This is really good. It's delicious, actually. I hope you give this a try. Hey guys, if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.